Hello everyone, my name is Rami Murni Hanifah. This time I will explain about business entities and legal entities. Business entity. A business entity is an organization or institution established and operated to carry out business activities and seek profit and profit. The main objective of a business entity is to meet the needs of society and generate profits for its owners. And next, legal entity. A legal entity is an organization or institution recognized by law as a legal subject which has rights and obligations just like human. This means that legal entities can carry out legal actions such as making agreements and being sued and have their own assets that are separate from the asset of their founders. And difference between business entities and companies. Business entity, the definition, an organization or institution established and operates to carry out business activities and seek profit. Legal personality has its own legal personality. Goal, seek profit, owned by one person or several people. And company definition, a container or place where a business entity carries out its business activities. Legal personality does not have its own legal personality. And goal, carrying out business activities of business entities. Ownership, owned by the business entity. And next, legal and non-legal business entities. The legal entity, business entity. A legal entity is a business entity that is recognized by law as a legal subject so that it has rights and obligations just like human. This means that legal entities can carry out legal actions such as making agreements, suing and being sued, and have their own assets that are separate from the assets of their founders. Example of legal entity business entities: perseroan terbatas, kooperatif, foundation, college, political parties, lembaga swadaya masyarakat. And next, non-legal business entities. Non-legal business entities. A non-legal entity is a business entity that is not recognized by law as a legal subject, so it does not have rights and obligations like human. This means that non-legal business entities cannot carry out legal action independently and their assets are not separate from the assets of their founders. Example of non-legal business entities: individual business, common desire, vennootschap atau CV. Types of business entities in Indonesia. Regionally owned enterprise or BUMD. These business entities have capital ownership held by the regional government. State-owned enterprise or BUMN are business entities whose capital is held by the state or central government. Privately owned enterprise or BUMS are business entities where the capital owners are private parties including foreigners. And firm, a firm is an association to run a business using one name. A sole proprietorship company or PO is a business entity owned by an individual. This means that PO is led and borne by only one person. And PT itself carries out business activities with capital divided into shares. PT ownership itself is determined based on the number of shares owned.